Maybe you've just signed up for Kajabi, or you're about to, and you're a little bit intimidated by all of the tools that Kajabi has, and you're not sure where to start. Well, I'm going to walk you through the first 3 basic tasks that you need to do to get started on Kajabi so that you can sell your online course, coaching, or your community. So if you do feel overwhelmed by all of the options and features that Kajabi has, that's okay. I am Carl, I'm a course creator and also a UX designer in the tech industry, and I've been using Kajabi for years. So let me give you some pointers on how to get started with Kajabi. The basis of any business, whether it's online or not, is to help other people by giving them something of value that they need or want. And so in order to make that happen on Kajabi, there are 3 things that you've got to do, and I'm going to show you how to do those in Kajabi. So if you want to use Kajabi to help somebody and provide that value, then you've got to have 2 things, and this is part of your first step. And those 2 things are, you've got to make an offering and a product. Now, those might sound kind of like the same thing, so let me break down the Kajabi lingo and kind of walk you through what the differences are and how to make them. So a product is anything that you're going to use in order to help something. So think of a product as your course or your coaching session or your digital download, something like that. It is like a present, okay? It's like a present that you're giving to someone else. The second thing is the offering, and that is the sales package in which you sell your product or a group of products. So think of it almost like the container or the box and wrapping paper that your product goes in. That's what the offer is. So once you're inside Kajabi, this is how you make a product. You're going to select products in the menu, click new product, select the type of product that it is, whether it's an online course or a download or a coaching session, anything like that. Enter a title and description of the product. Upload a powerful graphic that'll grab somebody's attention. You can make something like this in Canva or Google Slides even. And if you don't have an image yet, that's fine. You can come back and add this later. And then select a price. And once again, you can skip this and come back to it later if you need to. And then hit save. Okay, you have a product now. Now there's not anything in it yet, but assuming that you had something in it, this is the first thing that you would need to do in order to make this packageable to sell someone. Now it's time to make that product sellable. And to do that, we need to have an offer. But guess what? In Kajabi, if you just set the price of that product that you created, then you've already also made an offer. That's how cool Kajabi is. It kind of takes those 2 steps and combines them into one. Now, if you want to make an offer which has multiple products in it, for example, that's one of the things I do in one of my screenwriting courses. There's also a community aspect to it. In order to be a member of the community, you've got to have the course. So they're like a bundle or a package deal there. So if you want to do that, then you've got to make a second product, which in this case would be the community, the online community, and then create a net new offer in order to combine them. So you can have a product that is its own offer if you're just selling one thing, or if you're selling multiple things in one offer, then you can do that as well. So if you're going to make some kind of bundle like that, then go into sales in the menu, click new offer, give a title to the offer, select the products in the offer. So this is an area where you would have had to have already created multiple products in order to make this new kind of package or bundle. Then select the price for that and hit save. Whereas before you made the product and set the price and the gift was kind of in its own box. Now in this new offer, you're putting multiple gifts into the same box. So this allows you to kind of mix and match multiple products to create unique bundles. You'll still need to customize your offer with a new image since it's got multiple products in it, and each of those products are going to have their own image. But once again, you can come back and do that later if you're not ready for that yet. But good, you've got a product to help someone and an offer by which to sell it, and so you're ready to give people value and help them achieve results, right? But wait, there's no content in here. How can I help anybody with my product if there's no content in it? Well, unless you're going to be pre-selling your course, which some people do if they already have an audience, then yes, you are going to have to go back and add that content and design the course and create an outline and all that kind of stuff so that you can give your knowledge to people to help them achieve their results. And as a matter of fact, stick around to the end of the video because I've got a special resource which will help you do just that. But regardless of where you're at with the content, you're still going to need an audience to sell that content to. Now, I've tried several different email marketing platforms before I switched to Kajabi, and I'm glad I'm using Kajabi now. And so if you've used something else in the past, maybe you tried ConvertKit, maybe you're on MailChimp or something, and you're like, oh, I want to switch to Kajabi, then you can download all of your contacts and then easily import them into Kajabi. And it's going to be as easy as that. The reason why I think Kajabi is better than those is because everything is all under one system, right? I don't have to go to this system for an email. I don't have to go to this system for my video hosting or this system to sell. It's all under one platform. And Kajabi also has some really cool visual themes that you can already add to your emails, and they become email templates, so they can be real pretty. If you want to have like customized images and videos and things like that in your marketing emails, that you can do that. So in order to get started with this, the very least that you want to do is to pick a theme, customize it, and then send a test email to make sure it's working. So here's how you do that. First, go to Marketing in the main menu. At the top of Email Campaigns, select New Email Campaign. Then you're going to be given an option between either an email broadcast or an email sequence. So the difference between that is kind of like this. A broadcast is the type of email you'll choose to customize and send out, while a sequence is a type of message that you just set and it automatically sends while the user triggers it. So just for our examples now, we're just going to start with broadcast. So pick broadcast first. Select a template and you can have fun with it, right? You can preview a template before you select it, and these templates are fully customizable. Then you're going to write a title for this email broadcast and then click Create. From there, then you can go to select an audience if you have one, or you can experiment with the template's design until you're ready to send it. And like I said, I recommend sending a test email to yourself to make sure everything looks correct, make sure your links work, your photos are loading properly. And if you'd like me to walk you through that whole process of how to customize and design the email within Kajabi, then let me know in the comments. I'll make a video for you about that. There, that's all you gotta do to get started on Kajabi. It wasn't so hard, was it? So you've got a product so that you can help people and give them value. You've got an offer so you can sell that product, and you've begun building an email list so that you have people to market your product to. And you're well on your way to helping people. Now, if you're wondering, well, I don't have a course yet, or I have an old course and I'm not sure if it's good enough to sell and I wanna kind of revamp it, wherever you're at with your online course content, I've got a special gift for you. And that is a free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to User Experience for Course Creators. This is a comprehensive ebook that I've created, which combines both my knowledge as a user experience designer in the tech industry and also all of my experiences as an online course creator who's been using Kajabi for years. I put all of that together into a guide to help you create the best learning experience for your course, for your students. And this book will walk you through how to create, outline, and design your online course in a simple way so that you can create the best possible learning experience and buying experience for your customers and students. So if you're ready to give Kajabi a shot and you want to get the ebook, then click the affiliate link down below and I will send you a copy of UX for Course Creators.